Again, here we are again. Final days at Frankenstein's. Well, actually, because they're moving. They're moving, everyone, so don't worry. They'll be back. Your Hot Wheels ain't going anywhere, y'all.
I already got something.
Yeah. Nice trucks. Damn. It's that Led Zeppelin. Nice. A nice set right there. Look at the set right here. They have it right there. Damn. Oh, they have the door slammers here. More, they got the door slammers right here. These right here? These are the door slammers. 510?
Oh, no. Door slammers.
That's what they're called, door slammers. Look at the back of it. You see what it says, door slammer? Damn. Nice.
Oh, those are Funko ones.
I want candy. Candy cane, candy cane. Sorry, thank you. You, my friend. You. Damn. Okay. Last days at Frankenstein's over here at this warehouse, this crazy ass warehouse. I saw that, man. That was not cool. Madness over here at Frank's. Madness. What is this? Monkey time. Alright. I'm here trying to take video at Richard's place, but it's way too busy right now. I need to get in there, yo. Found that and a freaking weenie dog. Kid. Bam. That's madness. That's madness right there.
Hey, Richard, don't worry.
Yeah, man, I did see that. That's like what size is that? A 143?
143.
And it's Atomica. You don't see those. You hardly ever see those. Ever. The thing is open, huh? Oh. Just got these. Diecast everywhere. Everywhere. Happy kids everywhere. I swear, I thought it was like that girl that walked by. Like, wait a minute.
We need more of them right now. I'm surprised you still have one of these.
And we're back, and we're about to leave Frankinson's. Probably for the final time. Well, at least at this spot. It's gonna be different at the other spot. It's gonna be an outside mall or something. We'll catch video though, for sure. So everyone, stay tuned. Stay tuned, everyone.